So I got this tape maker set, and I'm gonna try it and see if this is gonna work. Basically, this is supposed to help make bias tape or bias binding. So I'm gonna use this piece of cotton fabric, cotton polyester fabric, to create my own bias tape. Of course, when you do that, you have to cut it on the bias, just to let you guys know. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and do it and see how this is gonna work. I'm gonna use the 25 one first. Not exactly sure what that means, but as you can see, to cut the bias strip, first cut across the fabric at a 45 degree angle, then cut strips parallel to this freshly cut edge in the width you need. So, alright, this is what the instructions said. Oh, okay, so I need to have an iron on too. Okay, I'll do this. So I cut 2 strips. This is about 2 inches wide, and this is about 1.5 inches wide. The direction says to run this through this with the wrong side facing upwards. And I have the iron here already, so I'm gonna test out and see how this will work. So the 2 inches for the blue one that marks 25 was too wide, so I cut this to 1.5 inch. The second one that I had cut in 1.5 inch is too wide for the one that is marked 18. So so far I put the strip in, and as you can see, it's creating a bias, and I have the iron here, so I can just like flatten it while it's going through. Because this is the first time I'm trying it out, but there it is. Kind of made my own bias tape. Still have to perfect my technique, but this is cool. I like it. So this is the 1.5 bias tape on number 18, and this is the result. Okay, I need a camera stand. As you can see, it's creating the bias. Alright, let me just... I'm going to do something that's probably not a good idea while I'm holding the camera, my phone, and pushing this to do it. Oh, it's working! Yay! So yeah, just showing you how this bias tape maker is working. And this is a 1.5 piece of fabric that I cut for number 18, 1.5 inch wide. Okay, so both fabric pieces were cut 1.5 inch wide. This is size 25 and this is size 18, which I have no clue what that means, but I'll find out later. And this is the result of the bias tape maker. Again, I just came from work and I'm tired as hell, but I couldn't wait to use it, so I wanted to try this as soon as possible because I need it to finish and make my costume for Dragon Con. which by the way, I kind of sort of did not start on it yet, but I will. This weekend I will.